All right, today I am here in the Notting Hill in Yorktown, and I have three amazing kind of hidden design features in this home I'm going to share with you. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you how you can save $100,000 worth of payments. It's going to be wild. Stay tuned. The first design secret is what we call the master suite with a snooze button built in. And you're probably going, what is a snooze button built into a master suite? Well, here's how it works. Do you ever have those mornings when you are getting up a couple hours before your significant other and you don't want to wake them up for fear of retribution later? Well, here's the thing. One of you can stay sleeping in here. The other one can come in here to get ready. You close these doors and all of the sound and all the light goes away. Once you come in the master bathroom, you can shower, you can shave and do other stuff. And then you head this way into the huge master closet. You can get your clothes, get ready for the day. And if you have some dirty clothes, the laundry is right here. You can drop your laundry off on the way to the garage door and out to your car and off to work for the day. And the great thing is you didn't have to go back through the master bedroom again and disturb your significant other, which means you get to live another day. It's awesome. Feature number 3, and the coolest of all of them, is we actually designed this plan to be ready for the zombie apocalypse. And you're probably going, what are you talking about? What I'm talking about is this little, what's behind this door right here is, if you're needing to get ready for the zombie apocalypse, man, you can store some stuff inside of this pantry. Check this thing out. So the last thing is, this is the best time we've ever had in the history of our company for you to get one of our move-in ready homes. We have an incredible $40,000 incentive on this home, and here's how we're going to use it to help you get in this home. We're going to take the majority of that money and we're going to buy your interest rate down so low that your payment will be that of a home that is $100,000 below the price of this one. That's right, the payment you're going to have is going to be equivalent to if you had bought a home $100,000 below this one. Not only that, but you'll still have about $10,000 left over that will take off the price of the home. So this is the best time it's ever been to get a home from Shaw Homes. So give us a call today and we'll be happy to show you this home.